for this lesson, I added my criteria and my objective, which students will need to make a clean cut of the square that they are making in order to get full credit. And I also added in the motivation that last week we were making patterns out of circles, so students have an idea of what patterns already are. And I will be evaluating them on if they make clean cut lines and have all the sides that are equal, because we're making squares, so squares have all equal sides. All right, good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Are you ready to make some patterns out of squares?
Sure.
Do you remember what we did last week?
No.
We made patterns out of circles.
Out of the circle, that's right. Those are the round ones, right?
Yep. Do circles have equal sides, or are they just?
There's one side. What side? The one.
What kind of other patterns do you think we can make?
I like patterns of the pointy ones.
So we have circle. Today we're going to learn squares.
Oh, squares.
Then we'll learn about rectangles.
Well, it's like a square.
But it has the two long sides are equal, and then the two shorter sides are equal. So not all four sides are equal like a square.
Okay.
And then later we will learn about a triangle.
The pointy one.
Oh, that's okay.
That's the pointy one.
Okay.
Look at the hat. He's wearing a hat.
Okay, so square, the object, square is the object, has four equal sides.
Okay.
Okay, so what does a square have?
4 equal sides.
Yes. Okay, this pattern, can you finish the pattern for me? You can.
That's a square.
Kind of looks like a rectangle in equal sides.
No.
There you go. Good job. What would come after that? Say we added a triangle here, what would come after that? And then circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, triangle.
Circle?
It could be a circle or square, couldn't it?
Okay, yeah.
Alright, so today we're going to make squares out of this construction paper. You need to pick two colors on that. Pink
That girl.
and then another color.
Green, 'cause I'm a girl.
Okay. And then once you're done making your squares, we're gonna tape them onto this white piece of paper.
Okay.
That looks like confetti.
Looks like my birthday cake.
Yeah. Here's. Okay, do you want to draw a square for me? It can be little or big.
How big?
You can make it as big as you want. Just remember we're gonna do five different squares.
5 different size squares?
Yes.
So I can make 5. Can I put 3 on this one and 2 on this one?
Okay. Now you can draw your tongue. And now I'm going to show you how to use those scissors properly when you cut out a square. We have a square.
Looks like a rectangle beneath.
And you can do one.
That's a square.
Okay. take your scissors and you want to go over your lines. So you're tracing over with your scissors. And you do that with all 5 of them. And then once you get that done, whichever one you want on the bottom, we'll tape it down.
On the bottom?
Okay, we're gonna lay them out on here. We're gonna make like a collage of squares. So whichever one you want, say you want your big one up here, and you put your big one up there.
My lines aren't straight.
Your cutting lines or your, do you, those scissors too hard to cut with?
No.
Make sure they're nice, clean, straight lines when you cut, because that's how you're getting graded. I will only take off a half if they're not clean.
My drawing lines aren't straight.
That's okay.
But my cutting lines are straight.
Well, I can tell it's a square. Where do you want this at? Right here? Okay.
Miss Carly's coming now.
What is this? What do your scraps make?
It's a rectangle.
So Rebecca, why did you pick these 2 colors? Other than because you're a girl.
Because I'm a girl.
They're not your favorite colors?
No.
Is it because they're brighter than the other ones, other than the yellow?
Yeah, just like me.
Where do you want that one?
Here.
Right here?
Yes.
Becca, can you finish this pattern for me? Will it come up really slow? And the square has how many sides?
4.
And they're
Equal.
What's after the triangle?
Rectangle.
Very good. Are your last one?
That's my last one.
Can you tell me why you picked the bigger square to be the bottom in the bottom corner instead of right in the middle?
Looks better.
Why did you decide to draw a little square?
Because it looks like a baby.
Was it harder to cut out on the paper than your big square?
Yeah.
Yeah. You get a 5 on 5 on